Finally, it's the season for Harry crab, and today we come all the long way to Hau Road in Kowloon City to get the Harry crab. Make sure you watch till the end to see where to get Harry crab, how much are they, how to cook Harry crab, and how to eat Harry crab. Check out our Instagram for everything about Hong Kong and explore Hong Kong like a local with us. So my recommendation is to choose shops that has good reputations, and my recommendation is Kowloon City, Hau Street, where you can find Harry crab shops along the streets. And so many people come here today to get the crab. So now it's 5:30 and you can still see lots of people here. This year most of the Harry crabs are from Jiangsu, Gansu. They even have a big calculator for you to calculate how much it costs. And they also have Harry crab from Japan. Each of them is around 6 tael. It costs 245 for the male Harry crab. And these are from China, Jiangsu from China, 7 tael, 450. In Chinese, Harry crab is considered as a cool food, so you need to warm your stomach after you're eating this. Usually they will give you ginger when you buy the Harry crab, purple basil leaf that we call it and also brown sugar. We will use the brown sugar and ginger to cook the tea, and that you will drink it while you're having the Harry crab. Or you will drink the huadiao wine that is also used to warm your stomach. And then another very famous one is Shanghai New Samyang Market. It is a very old, like 60 years old grocery shop, Shanghainese grocery shop. So autumn would be the season for Harry crab. And we will have the female one or the male one. And the textures of the cream are different. So here is another one, Fei Zai Hou. So the female crab will have a harder crab butter, while the male Harry crab will have a very creamy one, and most people prefer the male one. The one we get is male. The weight is 5.5 tael, and then buy 3 get 1 free. You touch the eyes and see whether it moves, and then it means that it's fresh. So we chose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of them. And when you get the crab, they will have the, this is not normal. Usually they give you brown sugar, not like this. And then ginger. These two is for you to make the ginger tea. And at last, the zhenjiang vinegar. This is to make the sauce to dip. So there should be 5 shops in total here along Hau Street. And we choose a bigger one from another shops. And that would be 120 for each of them. We originally planned to get this one that is on sale, only 88 for one. Oh my god. Okay, but it's sold out. So we can't get this one, and we can only get another one that is 6 tael. The weight is 6 tael.
好，360啊，可唔可以碌卡㗎？可以，可以。
We get another 3 big Harry crabs from another shops. Sometimes they will also give you the scissors to eat Harry crabs with the little spoons and also the chopsticks. And also, this is the yip, which is the purple basil leaf. It's like this. Yip. We also get this from Hau Road just now, $5, and it's used to steam the Harry crab. Here comes the most exciting part, to cook the Harry crab, which is super easy. Make sure you watch till the end to see how to eat an Harry crab like a local. First thing to do, put the crabs into a basin of water and clean it with a brush. Make sure you don't remove the string at this stage. Place the purple basil leaf into the water and heat the water over high heat. After the water boils, place the hairy crab with the belly side up to prevent the leakage of the crab roe and steam it for around 20 minutes depending on its size. Meanwhile, prepare the dipping sauce with black vinegar and ginger. We used our own Chinese black vinegar, 浸乾草 instead, which we think it tastes better. For male crab, the cover here is pointy, like this. We do not buy a female crab, but for female crab, it is in round shape. Let us know if you have any questions. Don't forget to check out our Instagram for everything about Hong Kong and subscribe to our channel. Enjoy your hairy crab!